Hi there, Brenda from Ceramicraft here. We've just received a shipment of North Star equipment, extruders and slab rollers, and I'm going to crack into this little beauty and do an unboxing of the North Star Extruder Package. Here we go. I haven't actually opened this before, so this is a genuine unboxing. Undo the straps, nicely packed. We have some paper. That to me looks like a handle. It's nice and compact. We have a set of dies here. We have another set of dies. Quite small, these ones. We'll go through those too. We have a set of bolts and an Allen key for wall mounting. And last but not least, it's quite a heavy unit. It's probably, I'm only guessing here, say about 8 or 9 kilos. It's pretty heavy. Get rid of that box. And there is your extruder. Now this is probably suited to a lot of home studios and smaller studios, just with the amount of clay that it can handle. If you want something that's going to handle, say, a whole block of clay, 10 or 11 kilos, upgrade to the Big Blue, the North Star Big Blue extruder. It has a wagon wheel and allows you to get a lot more torque on that to be able to push your clay through. Now we also have something else in here, so let's have a look. That's the Z brace. Now that is for your hollow dies, and we'll go through setting those up a little bit later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you like the content, and we'll see you again soon.